All right, I've officially reached that point in life where even my water bottle has technology. And check this out. This water bottle right here has a display screen on it. This water bottle right here has a charge port on it, charging your water bottle. When did we get to that stage in our life where we are charging our water bottles now? Now, if you're watching this, you probably already know or understand at least a little bit of the benefits of hydrogen infused water. Some of the benefits may include hydration. That's right. If you drink water, you're going to be hydrated. But with the hydrogen infused, you're going to get a little bit more of that hydrogen into your blood system, right? Now, you're not going to see a difference the first time you drink it. In fact, you need to use this regularly in order to see a difference. The recommended dosage of water, of hydrogen infused water, is about 3 of these flasks a day. But when you're first starting out, that also says maybe just drink 1. Go up to 3. I'm on my journey right now to do it. So I'm going to actually do a video journal of me doing this 3 times a day. And then to see, hey, for me, is it going to help with my mental clarity? Is it going to help with the benefits and pros of having more hydrogen in your bloodstream? Obviously, the one thing that I'm hoping for is mental clarity. So that's what I'm going to try and gain from that, as well as maybe even having clearer skin, maybe even, you know, rolling back that fountain of youth, so to speak. So, yep, if you're looking for the fountain of youth, found it right here. You don't need to go on a big, long trek. I'm excited to start my journey. In this video, I just want to kind of show you, if you already know the benefits and you're like just looking to upgrade your hydrogen flask, well, this one is awesome. In my opinion, because of the touch screen right here, once you fill it up with water, it's going to go 10 minutes right there. So before we do that, I want to take you on a journey about these settings, right? You're going to Bluetooth. What? Bluetooth, you're going to pair it to your phone. I'll show you the phone in just a second as we get this one going. You can have it in dark mode or light mode, just depending on what you want. The settings are really super simple. You can actually clean your flask as well, and that's it. Power off, clean, change the mode, and connect it to your phone. That's your settings. If you want to clean it, you're going to have to put 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water. It's going to clean it. Do not put this in the dishwasher. Do not soak this because that is an open USB port. You do not want to get that wet. So just know you don't want to clean the outside. You only use the self-clean function. Once you fill this up with water, you're going to go on the 10-minute timer. You're going to go ahead and push up, slide up right there. In 10 minutes starting now. While this is happening, I want to take you on the tour or the journey of the app. So this app right here, you can actually add multiple devices if you or your spouse have one as well. I'm going to start tracking my hydrogen intake every single day. You need to log your water, and I really am excited to start my journey here. But that's about it. It's just a tracker, as well as you can come over here and control, enter the flask. It does want you to update your firmware to a water bottle. I can't believe I just said that sentence. We'll do that in just a second, but you definitely want to have the best update available. So you can run a hydrogen cycle like what we just did, but you can do that on your phone, which is that 10-minute. You don't need to do it with your phone, but you can do it here, and you can clean your flask. You can change the LED color right here to get a little bit more rocking what your favorite color is, customize it, dark mode, light mode, and then you can set the settings for auto lock. I just like it at 10 seconds. So basically, super customizable, but yet super simple if you want to go on the display. And it looks like my 10-minute timer is up. You can see these bubbles in the hydrogen flask right here. Now, the only thing you got to do is you don't want to take the cap off before you release the pressure. So we just released that pressure. Now you can take the cap off, and now you're ready for the first flask of the day or the second flask of the day. But you see those bubbles? Isn't that cool? I actually personally love the design of this flask. Whoever designed it, you can see right through it. Kind of reminds me of an aquarium, but no fish live in here for sure. So take this hydrogen flask and you're going to drink it. Now, if you're thinking it's going to taste something like carbonated water, no. It's just going to taste like water, bottled water. Actually, it tastes like flask water. Water from a flask with a display. What is this world coming to? All right, so there you have it. That's my tour of the Echo Water Flask.